How to make easy fish piccata. First, we need to prepare the flour, and we need to season our fish fillet with salt and pepper. Next, we dredge the fillet in the flour. And then we tap off any excess flour. Next, it's time to cook the fish. We cook the fish for 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, we flip it carefully to cook the other side. And once everything is cooked, we set them aside. Now, we tissue off any excess oil in the pan, and then we add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Next is to add 2 tablespoons of green olives, and around 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And then add 1 tablespoon of flour. We mix everything well until the butter melts. And then we add the juice of 1 lemon and a handful of chopped parsley. We cook it for a few minutes more, and our sauce is done. We can now drizzle the sauce over our cooked fish. And it's done. Thank you for watching.